Okay, now these tires here are M13 dash, no, M13 by 5.00 and then dash 6. Okay, that's what these tires are. And I don't like to have flats on this Greenworks. It's a nice cart. It's a dull cart, you know. And, you know, they do get flats. And those things dry rot after a couple of years. In fact, when I was, one of these was getting flat all the time. So I got a tube for it. And when I changed out the tube, well, the bead was dry rotted and just broke off. So that means you got to buy a new tire. But these here, you know, they're flat free, and you can get them on eBay. And it's a 13 by 500-6. And what I did is I got these. This is too short. Okay, now this comes here with a little bush in there, you know, for this tire, because this tire here, this rim, is flush there. Okay, and it's got that there, and this has that there. You see, but these things are made for go-karts or whatever, and that's just too long. So what I got is I got an M12 by 175. 175 is standard. So it's an M12 by 36 millimeters long, and it's 14 millimeters in diameter, which is 0.62 inches, which is this. Okay, and look at that, it's perfect. Okay, now what you do with that coupling, you put it on. And by the way, this is what it looks like. Look. See, and that again is because those rims are flush on these things. And you just get one of these couplings, and they're pretty hefty. I mean, they are thick couplings. Okay, I'm just testing it. But there you go. And these tires are real heavy, and I'm gonna try to put it on here. Ooh, boy, that's heavy. Is that coupling in there? Doggone it. It is in there. You don't need the coupling. So we'll just go ahead and put this guy in here, like that. I did remove it, didn't I? There you go. Oh, that jack was in the way. That's what it was. And look at that. See, again, it's 36 millimeters, and look at this. So all we gotta do is get a short, maybe a ½ inch. Actually, I am gonna get something longer because I'm gonna put washers on both sides for these, you know, because this is the bearing, and you don't want the bearing to be there. So we're gonna put washer on the inside. So it's probably gonna say maybe, oh, ½ inch, you know, probably. I'm gonna have to measure the inside of this, but whatever it is, get an M12, you know, bolt that fits all the way in, because you can tighten it. So you can tighten it, and then put a washer on the inside, just like this. And those are pretty standard. And put a washer on the other side.